The first attempt at barbecuing in the expert grill. Yeah. Looks like, oh yeah. Temperature good. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ventilation good. Got the lock on. Just reading about a potential climb on Denali in spring. Boy, there's a lot of waivers you gotta sign. Unbelievable. Anyhow, we unclip. Let's look at this. So, first time cooking on this grill. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks like some sauteed Brussels sprouts. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. And a nice fillet. Let's see what we can do to roll this. Oh yeah. Oh. Let's put it down on the flame. Finish it. Oh yeah. Okay. Lock her down. I gotta get back to reading this risk disclosure on Denali. Looks like it's gonna be a big climb. But we'll eat well on the expert before that climb. And I gotta get that heat up. Okay. There we go. Have a great dinner, everybody.